Hey guys, I want to highlight that sum of angles of a triangle. That the video I shared, you understood that when you add all the angles in a triangle, it's equal to 180, right? I think that's clear. When you do the questions, for example, uh, when there is a triangle and then there is a missing angle, for example, find a missing angle in a triangle. For example, the question looks like this. The missing angle is A. A is not given. The missing angle is A, this angle. We are going to find this angle. Okay, how to find this angle? From the previous video, we knew that when you add all the angles, that is angle A, angle 46 and 42 is equal to 180, right? So I want you to represent it like this. And then if I want to find A, I have to take 46 and 42 to the other side of the equation. That is after 180. So when I transfer that to the other side, it will be subtract. So 46 is subtracted and 42 is subtracted. And finally, I will get the angle as 92. So I found the unknown angle, that is A as 92. I want you all to represent the answers like this. This should be your first step, and then you can come to the answer. Thank you very much.